It finally came. My nieces and nephews are playing in the other room, so if you hear something, sorry. Hi everybody, my name is Chad. Welcome to my channel. I'm really excited because my Holo Taco finally came in. Now, this is the first time that I ordered any of the Holo Taco nail polish. I wanted to for previous collections. I just didn't have the money, or I wasn't fast enough and it sold out for the collections or whatever. But this one I jumped on the minute that Christine from Simply Nailogical posted her video revealing her new collection. I immediately went and clicked on the link in the description and placed my order. I don't know if there was like more than one option for shipping. I was just so excited to place the order, but it took a couple weeks to actually get here. So I know I'm not like the first person to post a review of this online or anything like that. A lot of people have already gotten their collections and already posted stuff on Twitter and Instagram and other places. But anyway, this is gonna be my review and my first impressions and everything. So I'm gonna turn this camera down here onto my desk so that way you can see the box as I open it. And just a quick disclaimer before I get started that I am not a professional nail technician or nail artist or anything like that. Normally I review and unbox dolls on my channel. So this video is just me testing out a product that I bought with my own money and giving you my personal opinion. So just a heads up with that, let's go ahead and move on with the video. And now my neighbor is deciding to mow his lawn right outside my window. So cool, we're just gonna push forward. I don't know, okay, I think maybe this is the top. I'll just go ahead and cut right into it. Okay. Ooh, it's all rainbowy. Oh. Okay, so they sent me 3 makeup sponges. These came free with the rainbow collection. And then this is just my order form. So I'll put that down there. And then here it is. Oh my God. Oh, it's heavy. Let me get this out of the way. Packaged nice and carefully. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, and it's even got like all the little tacos like embossed in like matte. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so here's the box, and on the back it says Holo Taco Rainbow Collection. Oh, it looks like my box is just a little bit dented in a couple places here. That happened in shipment, but that's okay. Okay, so first impression, here we go. Don't lick the rainbow. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so they each come in their own like individual boxes, which is so cool. And here they are out of their boxes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love the fact that not only does she have the main six colors of the rainbow, but she also added a 7th, this magenta color. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. All right, so I'm just gonna quickly run through each color. This is red licorice. It looks like they've been sitting for a while, so some of the holographic glitter has kind of settled in certain parts of the bottle here. Here is orange drink. Orange is not my favorite color, but this is definitely really pretty. I think that this is going to be great for the fall season. I can definitely see myself using this for some Halloween looks for sure. In fact, I'm going to be using it. This is Lemon Sucker. It is definitely a beautiful yellow color. Now, I'm not one to wear yellow nail polish, but I will definitely wear this. It's definitely the kind of yellow that I think of when I think of lemons. This is gonna be a great summertime color. This is Green Taffy. It's a little darker than I expected, to be honest. I really like more of kind of like a chartreuse or a lime green, but I think this is really pretty, and this will be great for like the holiday season for sure. This is blue Frizzy. This is definitely like a true blue, almost like a cobalt blue, just with that hollow in there. It's so gorgeous. This one looks like it definitely needs to be shaken up a little bit though. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna be one of my favorite colors. This is Purple Slushie. I really like purple colors. I like wearing purple on my nails, and I just think this is super pretty, especially in person. Like on camera, it's not even doing it justice right now. It is just very, very pretty. This is Magenta Jelly. I'm actually starting to rethink my previous statement. I don't know. I can't decide if I like the Purple Slushie or Magenta Jelly is my favorite, but either way, this is gorgeous. I love the fact that Christine included this because it really is that perfect compromise between pink and purple if you can't decide which color to wear. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and move things around a little bit, and I wanna start trying these on my nails. First, I'm gonna prep the nails with a peel-off base coat. I'm using this one from UNT. I haven't ordered the one from Holo Taco yet, only because I wanna use this one up before I buy a new bottle. Now to just help them dry a little. All right, so starting off with red licorice, I'm just gonna go in here. Oh, wow. This formula is amazing. That is one coat. And I feel like it's done. I don't need a second coat of this. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Next, I'm gonna go in with Orange Drink. This is so pretty. I am definitely going to be wearing this color through the fall. Again, this is only one coat and it already looks that good. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of all these colors though, just so you can see what it looks like. Next, I'm going in with Lemon Sucker. That is so pretty. This definitely needs a second coat because it is definitely more sheer than the rest of the colors, but I really like the way that it looks. Next, I'm gonna use Green Taffy. This is a beautiful emerald green. This is another one that you might need to do a slightly thicker coat or a second coat because it also seemed to be just a little bit sheer on me. The next color I'm using is Blue Frizzy. this color is so pretty. This beautiful cobalt blue. This one definitely only needs one coat for me. I'm still gonna do a second coat, like I said, for all the colors. Now, since I've run out of fingers on my left hand and I am right-handed, I now have to do my right hand left-handed. And I just had to file my nails down because I actually broke this nail. I was so excited when I got the package and I went to go get my phone, and when I reached for my phone, I reached down and hit my nail on the phone and it actually just snapped off. I don't know what happened there, but anyway. The next color I'm trying is Magenta Jelly. This color is so pretty. It is a much thicker consistency though than the rest of the colors so far, but oh, so far it's my favorite. Last but definitely not least is Purple Slushie. I'm trying to be very careful because I'm doing this left-handed and I'm not very good at doing nail polish left-handed. There we go. This is another color that can be done in just one coat, but super pretty. Really quick, I'm just gonna give all of the colors a second coat. All right, so here are all of the colors. Now that they're all dry, I'm gonna go ahead and add a glossy top coat. I'm gonna be using this gel top coat here. It's by Beetle. If you'd like to try this out yourself, I'll include the link for this down below. I just gotta bake it for a minute. And I'm gonna finish things off with a little bit of cuticle oil. I'm using this one from NCLA because it's the only one that I happen to have right now. And here we go. Here are all of my nails all done. Ooh, let's do this. Let's do one of these things. One of these artistic nail shots. So this is what the nail polish looks like on my nails. This is what it looks like using the flashlight on my phone. And this is what it looks like outside in direct sunlight. And here we go. Here are my nails. This is basically how I'm choosing to express pride this year for Pride Month. As you can see, I just kind of decided to continue the rainbow on this hand as well. But I love this. These look so beautiful, especially out in the sun. And the formula was so easy to work with. I've got so many nail polishes that are just like from Walmart or Target or whatever that dry out really fast, like they're too quick drying or something like that, and they get streaky, or they might be easy to work with, but they're super sheer, so you have to do a bunch of layers. And then the drying time, like these dried so fast, like not too fast to where you can't use them. Like you're still able to work with them. You have enough time to move them around on your nails, but once you put it on there and you go through the different nails, by the time you get back to that nail for a second coat, it is dry to the touch. And I'm very impressed by that just because of how much I've struggled with some of the other brands of nail polish that I've had. If you are starting out, like if you're just learning how to paint your own nails, this is the nail polish that you should start off with. So far, the Rainbow Collection is the only nail polish that I've got from Holo Taco. However, I did already place a second order in anticipation for this. I actually ordered the 3 unicorn skins and a couple other fun little things. So if you want to see a review for that stuff when I get that in, then make sure to hit the thumbs up button or leave a comment down below letting me know that that's something that you'd like to see. If you've made it this far in the video, first of all, thank you. But second of all, you must like me, so why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button? Join the family, you know, stick around. I've got many doll reviews coming up, and I have 2 custom doll videos that I'm kind of in the middle of filming. So lots of new content, lots of new videos coming. Anyway, I am talking too much, so I'm gonna go. But thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.